In this video, we'll see some of the ideas for doing a major project on embedded systems. Okay, under smart cities. Okay, because many real time, mostly people are concentrating on smart cities. What are the topics under which we can do embedded system project for smart cities? Okay. So generally what a smart city component has, we know that a city means generally we have transportation system, that is vehicles, then we have some buildings, okay, then we have some what do you say, energy systems, okay, then we have some farming, agriculture, and we generally because health, for health also we require some this thing, then we have some people, smart city, then we have some mobile facility to communicate with all this, then we have smart government for doing, and we have some smart manufacturing building. So a city generally has all these things. So how this entire thing is done very effectively in a smart way is called a smart city. Okay, so these are some of the major points in a smart city. Okay, so under this what we can do, we'll see. So first one in smart city, so first thingy we have to vehicles, how they transport in a smart city, that is how this transportation is carried, speed monitoring, okay, how it is done, and you have to control also, because to avoid the accidents. Okay, this is the first important, this how the transportation system is done in a smart city. Okay, so speed, how they go, how the lanes are there, how it is controlled, all this you can do as a one of the uh, topic, okay, which is very important for a vehicle. So distance between the vehicles you have to monitor, any obstacle is coming, or then you should stop immediately. Okay, so all these things you can do under first one of the topic under smart city. Second important is the lightning system, that is the electricity. Okay, so how the grid system is there in the city. Okay, lightning system for the buildings, roads, lightnings, everything should be in a smart way. That means if any grid is failed, automatically should be switch, and automatic lights should become on at night time, and buildings also when no one is there, the lightning should be off, or AC should be off with, if they are not using, so like that. Anything under this is also important, that is lightning system, because most of the power is consumed for lightning and usage. If they are not using it, automatically you have to switch off the lights. So this is also one important concept under smart city. Okay, and third one is the weather monitoring, because generally air temperature, moisture will be there, you have to monitor all this, and the pollution of the environment you have to monitor. Okay, if any problem is there you have to indicate, because pollution nowadays is increasing in many areas. Okay, how to control this is related with plantation and monitoring, because in the environment the plantation also is very important. So you should see water harvesting pits and how the water is flowing, and how to reuse the water, and monitoring systems. Okay, this all comes under weather monitoring system, water harvesting pits. Okay, how the farming and plantation is done on smart cities. This is also one of the important under smart cities, weather monitoring.